In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically update drivers on Windows 11. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. The first step is to open the Device Manager. You can do this by right-clicking on the Start menu and selecting Device Manager from the menu. In Device Manager, expand the category of the device you want to update. For example, display adapters. Right-click on the device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software. Alternatively, you can use Windows Update to automatically update drivers. Go to Settings. Then Update and Security. And click on Check for Updates. Automatic driver updates are convenient, but occasionally, updated drivers may cause compatibility issues. Monitor your system after updates and roll back drivers if necessary. That's it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. See you soon.